ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरं
अक्षरम् असंदिग्धम् सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सोऽहम्
अस्तोभम्
अनवद्यं
अनवद्यं
च सूत्रं
सूत्रविदो
सूत्रविदो
विदुः
विदुः।
अयुन्
अय्युण्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
लख
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔ
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लण्
ञमगणनम्
यमगणनम्
झभै
जभै
घटधश्
घटधश
जबगटदश्
जबगडधश
कफछठथ चटतौ
खफछठछटौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपूपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
यमगणनानां नासिका च
यमगणनानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठौष्ठम्
ओदौ कण्ठौष्ठम्
कण्ठौष्ठम् अ प्लस ओ sorry A plus O what's in the
Riddhi
Riddhi.
or Guna also he said once.
guna is also in this case possible samasa the compound you have a vikalpa So you can say kantoshtam or kantoshtam. We have not seen that rule. We will be seeing later only, not now. You can just apply the rule what you know, this and the kantoshtam. That's why it's chanted kantoshtam. Vakarasya dantoshtam.
Akarasya dantaushtam.
Ushtam.
Jikhvamuliyasya jikhvamulyam.
Jikhvamuliyasya jikhvamulyam.
Nasikanusvarasya.
Nasika anusvarasya.
Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate. Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramo
Rajamani sada vijayate.
Ramam
Ramesham
Ramesham
bhaje.
bhaje.
Ramena Bhihata Nishachara Chamuhu. Ramaya
Rame.
Tasmai Namaha.
Ramena
Charachamu.
Ramaya
Ramaya
tasmai
tasmai namah.
Ramannasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
Ramanasti parayanam parataram
Ramasya
Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me. Bhora Mama Muddhara.
Rame chittalayasta bhavatu me. Ramamamudhara.
All other chantings we can do next class. We don't have time. Just 1 hour only we have. Just one Subhashitam and then we will see a new topic. Durjanah parihartavyaha vidyaya bhushitopi san.
Durjana
parihartavyaha vidyaya bhushitopi sanna.
Manina lankrita sarpaha kimasau na bhayankaraha.
Manina lankrita sarpaha imau na bhayankaraha.
You understand this, Subhashitam? You can guess a little knowledge. You can guess. Vidyaya bhushitaha api. Api sun. Sun is separate. Sun is not api sun. Space is that mean. Vidyaya bhushitaha api sun. Sun means being. Separate word. Okay. Even though endowed with vidya. Durjanaha, bad people, adharmikaha, parihartava should be shunned, should be avoided, should be discarded. Like what? Sarpaha, serpent. It is believed, Sarpa, they have got money in their heads. What money? In Tamil also we say some money. What money? That something precious jewel, which is invaluable, that one, that, but
Nagamanikam சொல்லுவாங்க.
Whether it is true or not, who knows? Whether it really does, we don't know. Manina alankritaha, Subhashitam is there. Manina alankritaha, Manina, what vibhakti? Sandhi is there.
Yeah.
That avagraha not given. It's not required. We have to understand. Sometimes avagraha is, sometimes even I have the given avagraha, sometimes I don't give. It's okay. Bhushitopi and also similarly that avagraha not required. I mean, not required means if you know what sandhi is. Bhushitaha plus api. Bhushitopi. Manina tritiya. Like what shabda? E. Hari shabda. Manihi mani. Maninayaha. Sorry, manayaha. Harihi hari harayaha. Like that. Harina. Manina. Alankritaha. Decorated. Ooh. Sarpaha. Because Sarpa has got money. Can we put the Sarpa on our lap? Kim Maso na Bhayankaraha. Is it not dangerous? Similarly, only Durjanaha. Even though they are educated, knowledgeable, if they are Durjanaha, we cannot allow them near. Therefore, should be shunned. They are dangerous, like a Sarpa. Sarpa doesn't kiss, huh? It just one bite. Similarly, Durjana also should be avoided. That's idea. Beautiful Subhashitam with an Drishtanta, he says. As Sarpa is dangerous, even though endowed with money, precious gem, so too Durjana also dangerous, though they are endowed with knowledge. Both are Bhayankarau. Bhayankarau only. Yes. What a question. Ravana. Yes. Ravana is a good example. But in Tamil Nadu, some people they praise Ravana. What to do? They are followers of Ravana.
Can't help.
In fact, we should praise Ravana because Ravana is a Brahmin. Huh? We should keep on, he should be our head. But we don't because we know usurping somebody's wife. In the Gita, I think you would have heard this word I ever told. Atatayi. Atatayin nakaranda shabda. Atatayi. The word. The one who has committed all the sixfold crimes is called Atatayi. So that's a term called Atatayi. The Duryodhana has done in fact all the sixfold crimes. That's why Duryodhana is called an Atatayi. That's one shloka. Suddenly doesn't come to my mind. So, killing a person by poison, or setting the person to fire, and then killing them, and usurping the land of the people, the wife, the wealth. So these are called the one who has committed. Any one of them is Atatayi. What about Ravana? He usurped somebody's wife. He's also an Atatayi only. In Gita comes from Advaita Natatayinaha, first chapter. Arjuna referring to this Atatayis, that is Duryodhana, who has committed all the crimes. Sixfold crimes. In fact, Duryodhana is so famous, he has done all the crimes. Nothing he left out. Everything he did. At least Ravana did only one, probably. The problem with Ravana is he destroyed because of his lust. So, and in fact, he had a Shapa also because he misbehaved with some devas, I think, wife of some deva. That's why he was cursed. If you approach any woman without her will, you will be destroyed or something. Shapa was that. That is why he dared not to touch Sita.
Yeah.
He is also Atatayi. Okay. Anyway, the Atatayis are praised in Tamil Nadu is a great thing. Huh? Anyway. Okay. In the morning, what should we discuss about Atatayi? Fine. So now let us see Sandhi. Okay. Just a quick 1 minute. I'll just open the file. What was the last Sandhi? Huh?
That Kimasau is Kim Asau.
Kim
that-
Asau Bhayankaraha.
So isn't it not? That's how is
Yeah.
the okay.
Yes. Kim
Asau means what?
Asau. Asau is other Shabda. We have not seen that. Asavadityaha, we say Asau Adityaha, other Shabda. I don't want to confuse you by saying some more things on that now. If you want, I can say. Generally, okay. Then another shloka generally we chant. You remember? Another shloka we chant in every class. Okay, let me open. That also will do. Then I will explain what is Asau. Idavastu sannikrishtam samipataravarti cha etado rupam Please repeat.
Idamastu sannikrishtam sameepavartati च etado rupam.
Adasastu viprakrushtam taditi parokshe vijaniyat.
Adasastu
Adasastu
viprakrushtam
taditi
tad iti vijaniyat.
Here, one more word is there which we have not seen, which is others. I didn't say. Because of some reason, I don't want to confuse that. Anyway, because you asked me now. Idam shabda and etat shabda, adas shabda, tat shabda. 4 are there. Then idam, okay, etad referring to that which is, etad referring to,
That is near.
That should, yeah.
etad referring to that which is close, which is very close. Idam,
Nearby.
That is nearby.
that is near. So very close, idam referring to that which is near. And tad referring to,
Far.
in fact, really in the speaking, tad referring to that which is out of sight. Out of sight. Suppose I'm talking about Krishna Swamiji. Saha Krishna Swami is out of sight. I'm not seeing him, right? Where is he? He is in Chennai and I'm in Rishikesh. Okay. Understand? So aparoksha it is. Others is, that is what really far is. Very far. Aso Adityaha, we say in prayer also. So somebody who is very far away, I can refer to him by the word others. But in the language, the word tad also used to refer to a person who is far away. Somebody or something who is remote, out of sight, as well as who is within the range of sight. For both, the language tad is used. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes.
You invited confusion. I also clarified it. Okay. So, others, in fact, others should be used, but tad also is used. Others you will see in the Veda, very many places you will see. Purnamadaha, Purnamadav, Purnamidam, Purna. That adaha what is? That is Napumsakalinga. Other Shabda also can be declined in all the genders. In Pullinga, Aso, Amu, Ami, don't worry, you cannot learn the Shabda now, not required, unnecessary now. So Aso is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam of Ada Shabda, Sakaranta Shabda, which we have not yet seen at all. Sakaranta we have not yet seen in many Alanta Shabdas. So Aso means that, simple, that Viprakrishtam, opposite of Sannikrishtam. Sannikrishtam is near, Viprakrishtam is far. Therefore, this is what really far means. Tad is something out of sight. That is what the Shloka says very clearly. But in the language, we use the word tad for referring to that which is far away also, as well as out of sight. Okay, now understand. Kim
Yes.
aso na bhayankaraha. Aso in this, you can use aso or kim tad na bhayankaraha. Kim saha na bhayankaraha. Kim saha na bhayankaraha. Both are same only. So na bhayankara kim. Aso bhayankaraha. Na bhayankaraha. Iti aksheparte prashnaha. This is a question which doesn't require an answer. That's all aksheparte. Kim aso na bhayankaraha. What? Isn't dangerous? Yes. Right? Answer will be what? Naturally yes only. Will you say no? Yes only, right? So the question doesn't require any answer. That's called aksheparte. It is not sambhada. It is just is saying giving the statement, the factual statement. Kim saha na bhayankaraha. What? The sarpaha. Na bhayankaraha. Isn't it dangerous? Yes. That's what here it is. Understand? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. I'll teach you one more Sandhi. Not one more, many more, whatever possible today. Because in the available time, that only can be done now. So what Sandhi we saw in the last class? Remember?
Jastum and Chattum.
Jastam and Chattam.
That same order you need to remember. What is the order? The order
Yes.
is
Jastum, Chattum.
Jastom 1, 2, Chartom 2, then Chartom 1.
No, Chattum 1 and
okay.
2.
We'll keep adding more and more to it. Okay, that order you please remember. Okay. We saw the Marut Shabda, right? I took that as an example for Jashtra Sandhi. It's a 2-in-1. So Marut Shabda derivations also we did. Though you have to know, memorize the Shabda, Marut Shabda by heart. Of course, that is to be done. Memorization is very important. And we also applied the Sandhi rules and derived the entire Marut Shabda, right? Jastom 1, Jastom 1 and Jastom 2, Chartom 1, Chartom 2, right? What is Jastom 1? What is Jastom 1?
The
Adanta Jal.
Adanta Jal replaced by the corresponding Jash letter.
And Jastom 2?
Jal when followed by Jash.
Jal at the end of Padam
Jash.
and followed by Jash will
Jash.
be replaced by corresponding Jash.
Jal.
And what is Chartom 1 and Chartom 2?
Jal followed by Kar letter will be replaced by the corresponding Char. And that is optional for if it is Avasana.
Yes. So we saw the application of Jastom 1 and Chartom, Chartom 2 in 1-1. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. And we thought the application of Jastom 1, Jastom 2 is 3-2, 3-3, 4-2, 4-3, 5-2, 5-3. And we saw the application of Jastom 1 and Chartom 1 in 7-3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Recollect. Marut Shabda. For Krishna Swamiji. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Remember all this? Yeah, what we have seen?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
now let us take some other Shabda. So I just write the order. Now I'll keep adding to this more and more. Jastom 1. I know the sutra number, therefore in that order I write. You don't require sutras because you need to learn that. You can remember this order. That's why I gave 1 and 2. Jastom 1 also Adesha is just letter. Jastom 2 also Adesha is just a letter alone.
Yeah.
Only thing is here Padanta Jal replaced by Jash. Here not Padanta Jal. Jal followed by Jash is replaced by Jash. So Adesha is same to distinguish. Only I just added this 1 and 2. Same thing with Chartvam. Chartvam 1 and Chartvam 2. Chartvam 1 is when Jal followed by Khar. So following is Khar letter. And Chartvam 2 is the Jal followed by Avasana. Then replacement by Char is optional. Here we have an optionality. Chartvam 2. So remember this order. Then in between we will add, and before we will add, and after that we will add. This order you need to keep on updating the order. It will change and need to remember the order also. Now I'm adding one more. That is Kutvam. What is Kutvam? By the name, can you make something out of?
Kavarga letters.
That will be the. That will be what? Huh?
Adesha.
That will be the Adesha. In fact, Kuttam 1 and 2 we can say, but I don't want to add another Kuttam. That's not required for us now. Just say Kuttam. Now, what is this Kuttam? Kavarga is the Adesha. Good. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Ga. That will be the Adesha. Question comes, in the place of what? In the place of what? That will be the Adesha. Now let us take the example. Again, I'm going to take one Shabda and derive the entire thing. So 2 in 1. I'll take the example of Jala Much. Jala Much Shabda. How do you describe the Shabda? What is Jala Much? First then we can see. What is Jala Much? Jalam
Cloud.
Munchati iti Jalamuch. That which releases water.
Cloud.
Exactly. Cloud. That which releases water. You can refer to anything that releases water, but generally you say cloud. Chakarantaha Pullingaha Jala Much Shabdaha. So any Chakaranta Shabda we can in fact derive. If you know this Kutva Sandhi and this Sandhis. What are Sandhis we have learned? You can. I'm placing Kuttam first. Now the order is like that. Kuttam, Jastam 1, Jastam 2, Chartam 1, Chartam 2. Please see. Because in the Sutra Pata Ashtadhyayi, Kuttam comes first. That is why I'm placing Kuttam before Jastam 1. As I said, no, I'll keep adding to this. These are the steps, that is the set of rules. We have to apply here the rules in this sequence alone. As we did no, Jastam 1, Jastam 2, Chartam 1, Chartam 2, we didn't violate any order. Right? Now I'm adding Kuttam before Jastam. In the context, you have to see whichever is applicable in the same order, keep applying, so you get the final result. You cannot skip any order. Okay. Otherwise, we may get a result which sometimes may be correct, but that's not the proper way. So now let us do this. Okay, another thing, just recollecting. What are these Sarvanamasthana Pratyas for Pullinga and Strilinga?
Out, Jash, and
Sut.
Sut. Simply say Sut. That's it. Sut. Now, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya is Su. Right? In fact, this Sandhi I was not prepared to teach you today. Not prepared means I didn't think of. But anyway, this is easy. That's why I thought, okay, I will do it. So that I can give you some homework on this. Some Chakaranta Shabda you can try. Anyway, it's fine. Maybe that is what comes to my mind. That's why I did. Okay. Jalamuch plus Su. What is Su? Content of Su is?
Sakara.
Do you remember
Sakara.
the name the Sakara enjoys? Sakara is a pratyaya. All those additional details already I have given you. What is that?
Apruktam.
Very good. Aprukta means
Ekal pratyaya.
Ekal
very good.
pratyaya.
And here it happens to be a consonant following a
will be dropped.
Following a consonant.
that will be dropped. Therefore, you get what?
Jalamuch.
This Jalamuch and this Jalamuch are the same.
No.
No, that becomes a pada.
Pratipadikam
Because
Jalamuch Pratipadikam, now it has become Jalamuch
Padam.
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 Now, after it becomes Jalamuch, then what you do? The question comes. See the order. Krama. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Just as of now, we'll keep updating the order. This is Kutvam, Jastam 1, Jastam 2, Chartam, Chartam 1, Chartam 2. So what comes first here in this? Kutvam.
Kutvam.
What is this Kutvam? Then we should know. Then only we can talk about this. So the examples. Kutvam is Chavarga letter at the end of a padam or followed by jal. Chavarga letter, Chavarga at the end of a padam or any one condition is enough, okay, or followed by a jal letter. What will happen? Will be replaced by corresponding Kavarga letter. Will be replaced by a corresponding Kavarga letter. It's a rule. So now Chakara is where is it now? Where is it? Locus.
At the end of
What is its
padam.
position? At the end of
Pada. Padam.
at the end of a padam, right?
Yes.
This is a padam only. That is why I asked what is this Jalamuch? Is all both the Jalamuch are the same? No. This is Pratipadikam Jalamuch. Now this is a Padam Jalamuch, right? It has become a Padam. Now Chakara is at the
Padanta Chakara.
Padanta
exactly
Chakara.
Padanta Chakara. You can say like that. Chakara at the end of a Padam.
Hmm.
Or followed by Jal. One condition is enough. This will be replaced by now corresponding.
Kavarga.
What is the corresponding Kavarga letter?
Alpa pranaka.
How do you know? Sorry? What is the corresponding letter?
Sure.
Corresponding Kavarga letter. Ja.
Is it ja?
Chakara.
Ja.
It'll be kakara.
Ah,
I said it's replaced by corresponding Kavarga letter. You are saying Ja. What is it? Ja.
Sorry.
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 You are applying Jashtum here. The order is
No.
Kuttam first. Then only Jashtum 2, the Chattam 1 and Chattam 2. What letter it will come in the place of Chakara?
Karga.
Ka.
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 Huh?
Ah,
Ka.
Kakara will come. Yes or no?
Mm.
5 people are there. Chakara, right? Jakara, Nyakara. Pancha Pandavas are there. They come to your house. What will you do? Give each one chair in the same order. For Dhritarashtra, for Yudhishthira, Chakara. 1, like that. For this, if Chakara is replaced by corresponding Kha.
Kakara.
Jakara will be replaced by Gakara. Jakara will be Gakara. Gakara will be by no. Understand? This is what
Yes.
corresponding Kavarga letter means what? This is what corresponding.
Responding.
Now Chakara is there. You can say corresponding. Simple. So the first letter of the Chavarga replaced by first letter of the Kavarga. Second letter of Chavarga will be replaced by second letter of the Kavarga. What is the meaning of corresponding then? Chavarga replaced by Jakara means replaced by itself. Chair sitting on chair itself, not the person. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
And another logic also I can give. Anyway, this is logic is enough. Corresponding, this is enough. Other logic is may not difficult. You need to know more things about that. But this is enough, simple. Now, after this is what we have applied. This is Kutvam. Applied Kutvam here, right? Kutvam, applying Kutvam, you get the form Jalamuk. See the order. Shall we stop there?
Now we have to
Because we
apply
got the form.
Jashtum 1.
No, we cannot stop because after Kutvam, I said, you remember the Krama till the end, you have to apply whatever is possible, applicable, apply. Now, Jalamuk is a Padam. Now, again, I will ask the same question. Padante kimasti. What letter is there at the end of the Padam?
Jal.
Padanta Jal.
Exactly. You have to look upon kakara now as a jal letter.
Letter.
Jal letter at the end of the padam
Just a
will be
moment.
replaced by corresponding.
Yes.
Yes.
What is a just letter? Now you can say third letter of that class. What is that?
Ga.
Ga.
Gakara.
You understand?
Yes.
This is the order. It's important. Just to money applied. Shall we stop here?
No.
No, gestum 2 must be applied.
Gestum 2 cannot be applied. How will you apply gestum 2? Huh?
Ah,
Gestum 2 requires a condition of followed by jash.
just-
Fourth and third letter of the class.
yes.
yeah,
Here nothing follows, right? It's the end of the padam.
Yeah.
Therefore,
Yeah.
gestum 2 is ruled out. Then what is next one?
Chartum.
Chartum 1. Chartum 1 is kar letter. That is ruled out. What is the next one?
Chartvam 2.
When followed by nothing, avasana.
Yeah.
Optionally, jal is replaced by kar letter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Char letter, sorry. Jal is replaced by char letter. Now that you apply chartvam 2, which is option. Therefore, two forms are there. So therefore, what is the char letter corresponding to this?
Crown. Kavarga.
Kakara. Say, not kavarga, kakara.
Kakara. Sorry. Kakarga. Yeah.
So this is by chartvam 2. Understand? You see the order now. Kutvam, chastvam 1, chartvam 2. We get the form. Now, chartvam 2 is optional. Therefore, we have two forms. Jalamug or jalamuk. Both are okay, like marud, marut. Same thing. Only the letters are changing. Same process only. Yes or no? Same process, right? Only extra thing introduced, kuttam. Do you follow? All of you.
Yes,
sir.
sure. Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Yes, sir.
No.
See, Chatum 1 should be replaced by corresponding church. How we ka came there, I didn't follow that. Chatvam 2.
What is the adesha?
Chatvam, right?
What is the adesha?
Kakara.
What is chartam? You tell first.
Chatvam is.
What is chartam? What is chartam? Please tell. Then only I can answer.
It is chat.
No.
Chat.
Hmm.
Chatata sha sa.
Okay, chatata. Kappa you are left out. Huh?
Okay, fine. I know. Okay, fine. Yeah, got it. That is where the okay.
I know. That's why I'm asking you. Tell what is it. Okay, jalamuch plus au. Next one. Dvitiya vibhakti. Sorry, pratama vibhakti dvivachanam. Jalamuch plus au. Then what do you get?
Jalamuchau.
Jalamuchau.
Oh.
Jalamucha. We cannot apply kutvam or justum because followed by a vowel. Not at the end of the padam also. The chavarga. Just melanam. Jalamuch plus au. Jalamuchau. Jalamuch plus just. What?
Hers it will be.
Jalamuchas. Padanta sakara. Padanta sakara will become
Visarga. Repa Visarga.
Ru will become Ru is Repa. Repa becomes
Visarga.
Visarga. Can I write directly? Is it okay? Should I write every time Ru and Repa Visarga? Huh? Is it okay?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
we know the same process. Padanta sakara becoming Ru. Ru is nothing but Repa. Repa at the end are followed by Kar. Replaced by Visarga. That's what is it, right? If you want, I can write the same. Maybe I will write once. Every time we will not write it. Padanta sakara. Rule is what? Padanta sakara should be replaced by
Ru.
Ru. Ru is nothing but
Repa.
and Repa the
becomes Visarga.
Visarga.
when? When does it become Visarga?
Followed by Avasana Arkar.
Now for here followed by what?
Avasana.
Avasana. Therefore, Jalamuchaha. Now, nobody asked. Should have asked this question. You're asking questions, so many things. Jalamuchas you get, right? What is Jalamuchas? What is Jalamuchas?
The padam.
Padam.
That's a padam, right?
Sakara into the padam.
Yeah, what is Sakara? What is the
Padanta
Sakara?
Sakara.
Jal letter and end of the padam.
Exactly. Jal letter. Then why don't you apply
Yes.
Jastvam?
I think that the number might be. This is the earlier number.
That is the number might be, that's all fine. But you should ask that question or not. Forget about the number. Number I gave only for your understanding I gave. Number also doesn't matter actually. Padanta Jal should be replaced by
Yes.
Jash.
Jash.
That's called Jastum 1, right?
Yes.
Why don't you apply here? Suppose if you apply, supposing, you tell me what is the Jash letter, corresponding Jash letter for Sakara? Ja, Ba, Ga, Da, Dash. Which letter you will choose? You don't have choice. Only 5 horoscope. Five horoscopes have come. You have to choose one. Best one you have to choose. Partner for Sakara. Which one you will choose? You cannot choose all the 5, not Draupadi. Only one. Which one you will choose?
Nothing looks appropriate.
No. It cannot be. How can it be? I said only one among the 5 definitely suits well.
Muchaj. No. Okay. Sakara.
Think and answer. Not Krishna Swamiji. Kiranji, what is that?
The
Just little thinking will do. Not much.
Okay.
the
Exactly. Why? Akuga Visarjaniyanam Kantaha. This is
Kantaha.
Kanta. Okay, before that, what is this? Sakara Lutulasanam Dantaha. So Dantya letter should be replaced by corresponding Dantya. Akuga Visarjaniyanam Kantaha Gakara Kantaha ruled out. Ichu Yashanam Talu, this is also ruled out. Upu Patmaniyana Moshto, this is also ruled out. Then Lutulasa, what is that? Riturashana, Murdanya, Dakara also ruled out. What about Dakara? Is it not Tavarga letter? Lutulasanam Dantaha. This is the right option. How do you say nothing works out? One you have to take up. There's no choice. So if you apply Jashtum, this Sakara will be replaced by what letter?
The
Sakara.
Dakara.
Dakara.
If you apply Dakara, you will have Visarga. You cannot have Visarga at all. Even Ramaha itself is not possible. You understand? Ramaha also is not possible. It will be Ramad or Ramat. Ramo, Ramaha. But Shabda is not like that. Ramaha. Therefore, what is the connection between Jashtvam and this Rutvam? I call it as a Rutvam. Padanta Sakara replaced by Ru is Rutvam. You see, I'm adding one more. The same thing already we have seen. What is the connection between these two?
Rutvam has to proceed just one.
Exactly. What is that called? Apavada. Simple, no? Exception.
Sapvash.
Except in the case of Sakara, all other place we have to apply Jashtvam. In the case of Sakara, Sakara is a Jal letter, right? This is Jashtvam for all Jal, except, keeping in mind, Rutvam, except Sakara. This is what we have to remember. Okay, Apavada. Otherwise, what will happen? If you apply Jashtvam, you will never have Rutvam applying, and you will not have Visarga at all. Therefore, Rutvam is apavada to Jastom 1. You understand? Does it make sense? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See how it makes you think, you see. You have to think. No thinking, no understanding. Not possible. Samskrita Vyakaranam is full of thinking. You become a thinking being. As Swamiji says, Vedanta, no. He says, at least coming to the Gurukulam, you will become a thinking person. So far, we have never in life. But now come, you will start thinking. Vyakaranam makes us do it, actually. Each one is this. In fact, this doubt must have come to you before. Ask so many things. This doubt, why you didn't ask this, I don't know. You're saying Jal letter replaced by Jash letter. Sakara is a Jal letter. Why don't you replace by Jash? Didn't ask. Should we ask? Because this is Apavada. Therefore, we need to understand. In our mind, it should be Jastam is for all Jal except Sakara. If Sakara, what will do? Apairutvam. That is it. Understand? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, there is no Jalam Muchad. It is Jala, which is Padanta Sakara replaced by Ru. Appreciate at least Sakara comes, you say, immediately you say Ru. That is strongly ingrained in your mind. That is good. But still, the relationship in the form of Utsarga Apavada, that must be clear. Okay, Jalamuch plus next one. What is the next one? Jalamuch plus 2-1. What is the Pratyaya? Right? So just what is the form? Jalamucham. Jalamuch plus next one is out. Form will be Jalamuchau.
No.
What is 2-3? You please say something. Then I know the power is, internet is there working. You hear me. Otherwise, I don't know. Huh? I keep talking to
Yes,
myself.
sir. Yes.
It's
Will become, what is the form? I write directly. Jalamuchaha. Is it okay? Same as?
yes.
Same as what? Content is us.
Same as 1-3.
Same as 1-3. That is also content is us only. Right? Therefore, Jalamuchaha. Then 3-1. Jalamuch plus A.
Jalamucha.
Jalamucha. Now 3-2. There you need to think and apply. Jalamuch plus Bhyam.
Byam come.
Bhyam follows. Therefore, Jalamuch enjoys what?
Status of Padam.
Exactly. Therefore, we can apply. The order is
Jashvam 1.
not just one. Oh, I've introduced one more. Don't forget that. This is the order. Kutvam, Jashtam, Rutvam, Jashtam to Chartam, Chartam to. You need to remember the order. The order will keep updating. Now, Kutvam is applicable, yes or no? Because Chavarga is there.
Yes.
Kuttam is applicable. So apply. What is the Kuttam condition? Chavarga at the end of the Padam are followed by Jal. Both are fulfilled. Any one is enough. Therefore, replace Chakara by corresponding Kavarga letter Jalamuk. Right? This is by Kuttam.
Kutvam.
Then after that,
Jashtvam 1.
Jastam 1. This is Jal letter. Now you should look upon this Kakara as Jal letter. Replaced by what letter? Huh?
Corresponding Jash.
Corresponding Jash letter. What is that? Ja. Corresponding Ja.
No,
Ja. Oh, why so much confusion? Kakara is to be replaced by corresponding means its class alone. Why are you going to the next class?
Cha.
Cha. I don't know really you follow or not what I say. Kaka, this will be replaced by corresponding letter.
Ka.
That's what just letter, right? You will replace by cha. Cha belongs to Kavarga.
No.
Then what are the just letter? Where is cha in just letter? Jabagadash is just letter.
Hmm.
This Kavarga is that this jal letter should be replaced by corresponding just letter. What is a just letter? I don't know where the confusion is. Justum is it? Then justum itself is not clear. What are the just letter? Is it not Jabagadash?
Jabagadash.
Jabagadash, then you have to select only one among these. How can you say cha and also ja is, how can it be ja will come, ka is kanta, ja is talu, replaced by corresponding. Corresponding means you have the terms of pronunciation. That's what corresponding is. Which letter will come then?
Third
Not a
letter.
big question, huh? Huh?
G.
Kakara, that's it. No, what is thinking required? What deep thinking in this? Huh? I don't know really. Is it so difficult to understand this? It means you have not done homework at all. That's a problem. I gave homework the Shabda, we practiced that Vishwajit, Jala, what, so many, all the four you can try. You're not doing that's I think not done. That's a problem. Should do. Take the homework seriously and do. Then only you will understand. Justamandal you should never forget. Important. And should look upon that letter as a jal letter. Not look upon as a kavarga. When you're applying justum, that application of justum should come to your mind and look upon the letter as a jal letter. Once it's jal letter, then replaced by corresponding just letter. So applying first here kutam gakara, here applying justum to, then it will become gakara. Then here further what to do? This gakara is again jal letter followed by just letter. Therefore justum 2 will apply. Then again gakara is which is jal replaced by just letter which happens to be gakara only. Therefore here finally jalamukbhyam. In what way it is different from marudbhyam? You tell me. Is it not same?
Same.
Only thing is I have introduced this kuttam. Does it make a big difference, huh? Come on.
No.
Cannot. It's simple. Once you 1 3 3 you know one is enough. All other are same. If it is bis, then what will happen? I'm not going to do bis. You will do it. I'll just give the form. Jala, up to here it is same. Jala mukh, bis, sakara, padanta sakara becoming ru. Jala mukh bighi. Here what happened? That kutvam, justum 1, justum 2 is applied. Then this is 3 3. What about 4 1? 4 1 and all simple. Jalamuch plus nye will become Jala Muche.
Jalamuche.
And 5 for this is 4 to 4 3. 4 to 4 3 same as 3 to 3 3. So we don't have to do it. Already done. Then 5 1 Jalamuch plus Nasi, whose content is us, same as 1 3 or 2 3. Jalamuchaha. Then 5 2 and 5 3 same as 3 to 3 3. Already done. Then 6 1 is Ngas, same as 5 1. Jalamuchaha. 6 2 and 7 2 both are same. Jalamuch plus Os. Jalamuchoho. Yes or no? Or not same? Jalamuch plus Am. 6 3. Pratyas, I hope you know it, huh?
Yeah.
Jalamucham. 7 1. Jalamuch plus Gi.
G.
Jalamuchi.
Jalamuchi.
Like Maruti. Jalamuchi. 6 2. 7 2. Same as 6 2 already done.
Yeah.
Now 7 3 I am doing. Jalamuch plus Su. I have to do quickly. Getting late for me. I'm just rushing up. Now, Jalamuch plus Su. Jalamuch enjoy Sangya.
Padam.
Padam.
Yeah, becomes a
Padanta. Here,
Aladi.
Chavarga followed by Jala also. Therefore, replace it by corresponding. What letter?
Third. Ja.
Which is third letter, huh? Why third letter, Indraji? Huh? You keep on doing the same mistake only. We are doing Kuttam. We have to apply Kuttam first.
Okay. Sorry.
So we replace by corresponding Kavarga letter, which is Jalamuk. Jalamuk plus Su. So this is Kuttam. Then after that, apply Justum 1. That Kakara should be looked upon as a Jal letter, replaced by corresponding Just letter,
Just.
which happens to be Gakara.
Jalamuk. Yeah.
Just one.
Therefore, we have Jalamuk plus Su. After that,
Just one,
will
two.
you apply Justum 2? Don't say Justum 2. I know. You will say, where is just letter here? Is it a just letter?
Just is
Huh?
Sakara.
Don't
Tattvam.
think mechanically. Think, but you see whether that applicable or not here. Okay. So then
Chartvam 1.
Chartvam.
Chartvam 1 you have to
Chartvam
apply
2.
because followed by char letter, not our here. There's no avasana here because sandhi to be done. Followed by kar letter. Therefore, this should be replaced by corresponding what? Char letter.
Third letter.
Chartvam. So it should be replaced by corresponding. What is the letter? Kakara. Now, have you not seen Shatvam? Didn't I teach you Shatvam? What is Shatvam? Yes or no? This we have seen. In the beginning itself, I taught you. Remember,
Yeah,
Rama issue and
yeah.
all. You asked question. I explained that time. Huh? What is Shatvam?
Yes. You were not there.
Sakara, which is either part of Pratyaya, not at the end of the Padam. So, and when preceded by in or ku, then the Sakara will be replaced by Sakara.
Now, is it not applicable here? The Sakara, not at the end of the Padam. End of the Padam is U only. A Sakara part of the Pratyaya, preceded by what letter? What letter? Come on, say something. Huh? What letter? I keep on asking. Nobody says.
Ku, Kakara, ku letter. Ku letter.
Followed by Kavarga, right? It's a
Kavarga,
ku letter.
yes.
Therefore, this Sakara, which is not at the end of the Padam, and the Sakara belongs to the Pratyaya, should be replaced by
By Shakara.
Jala Muk plus Shu. Now you see Shattam, where does it come? You cannot do Shattam after Chartvam. Here we have to do. See the order now.
Yeah.
Then finally, Jala Muk plus Shu. We get the form Jala Mukshu. If you understand this, 7-3, then you understand everything. So now see Shattam. Where does it come? Shattam, though we have learned separately. Now in the order, where does it come?
Before
After,
Shatvam 1.
Huh?
Just two.
In this, I know the sutra, therefore I'm placing it here. In between, something else may come. That's okay. But now for you to remember this order: Kutvam first, Justum 1, then Rutvam, which is Apavada to Justum 1, then Shattam is applicable. You apply. Then Justum 2, Chartam 1, Chartam 2. This is the order. You need to get this abhyasa.
Yes.
Okay, I give you homework. You do it. Chakaranta Shabda. See, if you don't remember what you have studied, then we cannot move further. Okay. Payo much, you can take this Shabda and Jalamuch already given. 1 minute. With this, we'll stop. I'll give. Please do homework. I just say homework, no, but if you don't do homework, then you will not learn. You have to derive all the forms. Then only you will get doubts, and then you can clarify it. Don't do, then nobody clarify. I'll be teaching to myself. I've done so many times all this.
Sure, sir.
Is my voice breaking, or why the reflexive?
Clear.
Sometimes
Clear,
it's
clear,
breaking.
clear.
Suvach also. You can try. These two Shabdas are given. We can give more. I will find out. These two Chakaranta, you can just try. Not only Chakara. See, even Jakaranta also. Why should we? This Vanij is merchant. That also we can do. Jakara is Chavarga letter only. So, therefore, Jakaranta also you can do. Bishaj.
How about this one?
Huh?
Vriddhi Radhaich. That one also? That is a different one. No?
There's no connection.
That's a Sutram.
There's no connection. Okay. That's okay. That is Uttabhuj. All this. Dakshinamurti Shlokam is there. Vishaje Namaha. Just we chanted before. Ishvaro Gururat Meti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyamavat Vyapti. Not that one. Another one. What is that? Every class we do. Bhavaroginam. Bishaje Bhavaroginam. Right? Bishaje. What is Bishaje? Chaturthi Bhakti. Jalamuche Visa. Bishaje. Bishaje Bhavaroginam. Nidaya Dakshina Murtaye. Bishaje. So these 5 Shabdas you try. Payomuch, Suvach, Vanij, Bishaj, Uttabhuj. Same thing as we did for Chakara. Jakara also will undergo Kuttum, Jastum, all this in the same process. Please try. We'll stop here. I need to go now. Getting late for me. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. See, you have to do homework. Okay. Take homework religiously and do it. Then you will get. Otherwise, I'll keep saying to myself only. I'm not sure whether it is because of internet I'm not getting response, or you don't know answer, I'm not getting response. If it is Chennai, I could make out, but here I'm not able to make out.
The letter one.
Safer
Little
side, huh?
confusing and little difficult.
What is the confusion, huh?
I don't know. I'll try.
Little more hard work.
Yes, it needs.
Okay, we'll see next class.
Confusing, yes.
Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawadaha, Sharanji.
Dhanyawadaha.